Everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And yes, I'm wearing big old lashes. That one's having an issue on the inner corner, but it's fine. And if you want this look is from the Glamlight Cake palette, which should be up after this one, I suppose. Anyway, so today I got my, what happened to this box? Anyway, Boxycharm, and it's actually a little bit bigger box than we have been getting, so I'm excited to dive right in. Okay, I'm missing a card, which I think I've seen a lot of people like complain on the Boxy swapping site that they don't have their cards, so they don't know which price anything. But let's go ahead and dive right in. I'll show you what I did choose, because nowadays we get to choose what we want. And I'm actually wearing the other product that was available, but I decided to order this one for $12 and get this one in my box. This is from Kate Somerville. I haven't really tried any of her products. I think I gave my mom something that was like really intensive wrinkles something or another. So this is the KX Active Concentrates Biomimicking Peptide Smooth and Firm Serum. AM and PM apply 1 to 2 drops to cleanse skin. I formulated my high performance concentrate with a signature blend of 5 VIPs, very important peptides that work together to visibly refresh and renew skin. See, water's the first and glycerin's like the second one. You got, ooh, mango pulp extract, banana pulp extract, some other pulp extract I don't know, chicory leaf, which I've tried. You had me at mango, girl. You had me at mango. So this is supposed to be a really good smoothing you wrinkles, whatever, but a really good serum. Now I chose this one because I looked at it. It's actually $98 retail. So I do know the price of this thing. It's $98 or something. So this is what it looks like. There was serum moisturizer. It doesn't. It has a scent, but it's like more just a cosmetic-y type scent. But it does have that kind of color. So I'm thinking with banana has potassium, mango does that have vitamin C? I would think so. So it might be like more of a vitamin C type of serum, but that's what it looks like. So you know. Okay. Next, I've got from FAB or First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. Help exfoliate, tone, and brighten. There are 28 pads in here. I don't know if that's a full size or not. I'm thinking it might be. And their sample's like 10 or something. So it's either full size or travel size. So $15 to $25, something like that probably. White pad across face once or twice daily. Is this like alcohol free? I'm unsure. I think fully tone and brighten. This must be like a toning kind of pad, which is good for travel if you don't want to actually bring your liquid toners. I think I tried these like as a to-go thing, so I don't think I mind them. So, you know, if I travel anywhere, I'll probably keep them. Next up, this is one of the variants I've got from Alamar. These brushes, I have no idea how much these retail, probably like $30 to $40. Now, I did have some of their eye brushes. I'm pretty sure they're not in my cup. So they must be in here, and I did enjoy those. They're really soft. They are protected. They're facial brushes. This one has like a funky texture, but that's like a foundation brush. I wonder if I can get that back on there. Probably not. Oh, no, I can. There you go. But their brushes are extraordinarily soft and really good at blending. So you've got a chiseled cheek one, like blush or contour kind of thing going on. Put that back in there. This thing's so fun. Look at that. And then I'm thinking this is a highlight. Yeah, it's like a highlight brush. Brightening brush. They actually say what they are. So brightening brush. That's actually bigger highlight, but pretty. Or could be for under eye powder. That's actually an option. This one says complexion brush, that one. And then this one says bronzer. The one with the weird head says bronzer. I would actually think that was more of the foundation brush, but whatever. So I'm not sure on the retail of those. I'm not sure if I keep them. I have enough face brushes. And I mainly use foundation brushes for Halloween. Okay, next up I have from Sauté London Everyday Vacay. This is a coconut setting powder. Locking makeup for long-lasting wear with Sauté London's Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. Delicately coconut fragrance to take you back to the beach. This finely milled and lightweight loose powder smooths over a makeup for a crease-free, soft focus finish with no flashback. Okay, it does not contain carmine, so that's good. Believe it or not, some powders do. Too Faced peach powder that I like contained carmine. So, yeah. Apply generously to areas with concealer to bake and set makeup. Leave on for 3 to 5 minutes and sweep off the excess for a crease-free, soft focus finish. Lightly dust oil-prone areas using a large fluffy brush for a soft touch matte finish. That's cool. I'm trying on new powder today. Use powder if they don't do like. Now that's a pretty white powder. That's my only concern. It doesn't say it contains flashback, but at the same time, if I use at my skin tone, and I'm just a medium skin tone right now, like if I use too bright of a powder, like it's noticeable under my eyes, like a really brightening one. Like I can't go to like in Jeffree Star's powder. That one's like a really brightening. It's like really noticeable, and I don't like that look. So I'm concerned about that. However, I don't know if I'll give it a try. I'll probably give it a try, but I might not. I might save it for my niece's birthday. Her birthday's in May. She loves coconut scented stuff. She might love this stuff, you know? So I'll put that as in maybe I'll try it and maybe I won't. I'm just a little concerned about the color. And last but not least, from a brand I haven't heard of, it says, I'm guessing it's pronounced Queen. It's Qveen with a dragon, which I love. Y'all don't know like how big I'm dragons. I have 2 tattoos of dragon. I was tattooed before the book anyway became popular. So this is a wifey matte liquid lip stain. So you can apply a different coat. No carmine, cruelty free. I've never heard of this brand. In New York, wifey is the shade. So it's gonna be like a purple shade, which probably would have matched what I have on now. Maybe matched actually. I kind of went for a more fiery look. Okay, so it's a nude. I thought it'd be a little bit more purpling, but it's actually a lightish kind of pinky rose nude. Close to what I'm wearing, a little lighter. I don't know if I'll keep this, maybe to try out the formula, but then again, I have this shade, and I don't really wear this shade. It's a little light. It might go darker. I don't know. I feel like I should give it a chance, because it looks darker there. Okay, it's darker. Never mind. I actually love this color. I have this color. It looks darker than the tube does in a Bare Minerals. It looks exactly like one of my Bare Minerals lipsticks. There's no scent to it. It's very pretty. Okay, I'll keep that then. Because it's not as light as the packaging would suggest. That's like one of my Bare Minerals favorite colors. So, I think it was a pretty daggum good box. Like, if I was so uber into face brushes and I needed another blush brush or contour brush or brightening brush, this would be great. They are not uber lightweight. They're not uber heavy, but they're not, well, that one's really not lightweight. Facial Radiance, good for toning on the go. They help clean off your face. That's a really good product. That's probably a good product, the Sauté powder. So, yeah, actually a good month. I'm looking forward to next month's Luxe box. So anyway, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles!